Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
आवाज करो क्या है?
I should find the fan. Yes, mama. Susha kayel na.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. अरे इसमें श्वेता शर्मा
Afternoon, ma'am.
श्वेता शर्मा का नाम दिखा रहा है क्या हुआ? मेरा नाम डालना चाहिए था। मुझे लगेगा कोई और जुड़ जाएगा। ये जुड़ा तो नहीं है कुछ नहीं।
Good afternoon.
कोई नहीं मैं दूर कर दूंगी। अच्छा नहीं लगता ना गर्ल्स का नाम है। गर्ल्स नहीं आपको इतना क्या शर्म आ रही है आपकी मम्मी का नाम है गर्ल्स वाली क्या बात है एक्चुअली ये जो है ना चेंज करो आप पहले श्वेता शर्मा टाइम है किस पे गया था आपने नाम चेंज
Afternoon, ma'am.
इसने आईडी मेरे लिए ना इसलिए ये ऐसे करना है आईडी श्वेता शर्मा हटा दो चेंज
Good afternoon, ma'am. I could not see you.
change पिक्चर है
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. मेरी आवाज जाए नहीं हेलो एक मिनट ठीक है
Good afternoon, ma'am. I could not see you, ma'am.
डिपार्टमेंट जॉब
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
श्वेता शर्मा
Good afternoon.
रीनेम
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
ये चेयर अब आए देखो इनको देखो अक्सर वाला ऐड का मुझे ही करने देना बेटा कलर वाला लेके बैठे हम यस आज मैडम सारे कलर कराएंगी फिर आप उठते हो बीच बीच में हाँ मैंने वो ले लिया ईयरबड कलर पेंसिल नहीं यार इसको उठाते कैसे
Ma'am. Ma'am.
हेलो मैम
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
मैम कीबोर्ड का कीबोर्ड की रखने की जगह
Good afternoon,
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
हम बाकी जगह ये मानते हैं कि आपके अप्रूवल का मीन्स आपने उसे एक्सेस करके
Hello, ma'am.
और यहाँ पे आप
Good afternoon, ma'am.
पहले सुपरवाइजर कहता है कि ओके सब कुछ ठीक है.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
बेसिकली मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता ना सीएसपी में हम कुछ एंड पॉइंट नहीं देते हैं तो
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Stop talking. Morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ma'am, can you please on your video?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon, and you must be waiting for writing this beautiful book. You all must be waiting for three colors in this beautiful artwork that is Deep Beneath the World. And that day when we learn this drawing, I gave you homework for giving outlines. Right? And hopefully you all must have given outlines. Let's see my work also. Have an outlines. Okay, now first, the very first step of any drawing is giving point. And the second step is to give outlines. And third step, tell me what is the first step? What is the third step, tell me? Yes, absolutely right. Can you hear me? Please show thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, and my screen. Can you see my screen properly? Okay. So see, the very first step, we draw the drawing. Second step, we take eraser and erase extra lines. Okay. The outline. That's it. First step is to draw the drawing. Second step, we give outlines. And third step, we take eraser and erase all extra lines. And see, one more thing you are supposed to keep in mind. While erasing colors, you're supposed to be doing very gently. Don't be harsh on the paper. Okay? Otherwise, what will happen? It will be here. And slowly, you can see some kinds of pencil. You can see here bushes, dogs' face. See, so many styles are there which are supposed to be these and make my drawing perfectly one way. Okay? So do this with me. And so erasing is equally important. Okay? Erasing and making the drawing is equally important. Yes, I know you all are waiting for the story behind it. What's the story behind this beautiful drawing? Just a minute, we will start. Emily, you are telling the story. See, I have cleaned my book. Hopefully, you all must have done it. Just remove, and our drawing is ready for coloring. Those who can't hear, can you hear me? Show thumbs up. Show thumbs up. Big smile. And see those who can't hear me, you can't hear me now. Okay. And see, you are supposed to keep your cotton, your earbud ready. Okay, because you are going to do watercolors also in this. Remove all the dust. Mannat. Okay, okay. Now, let's get started. Okay, now let's do the coloring. First, we will pick up our plastic crayons. Okay, and we will finish the coloring with plastic crayon first. And you all remember the name now? The name of this boy is Jaggu. Let's take skin color. Let's start with skin color. Those who don't have skin, I will be telling story. And the story is very lovely and means very inspiring also at the same time. Take skin color and see from where you will start. You will start from here. Start from your sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. And while doing colors, you will not put pressure on your color. And your stroke should be small. Start from chin. All of you start from chin. And now see here, very little space now. So what normally students do, they start moving standing. No, but you will not do this. You will go for small sleeping lines. If you feel that there is very little space, you will go for small sleeping line, but you will not go for standing lines. And you will not put pressure on your color. Small strokes. And each stroke you will be repeating 4 times. Okay, each stroke repeat 4 times. Come on, do. Let's complete face of wonderful Jaggu. Animal lover Jaggu. Jaggu was living in a village. And this village, the name of the village was Rampur. And this village was quite close to a forest. Okay, and Jaggu was also living there, and they were having Mama, Papa, and little Jaggu. Jaggu was very naughty, very, very notorious. And Papa always used to say, see, never go to forest, never go on that path. It will take you to forest, and there the animals are very cruel. They will kill you. Rabbits, jungly rabbits, wild rabbits are there. They are very big in size, equal to you. There are lions, there are cubs. Okay? So you will never even think about going to jungle. Jaggu used to think, and Jaggu was having one pet also. What was the name of pet? Do you remember? Last time I told you. Yes. When you want to sharpen your plastic crayons, I can read the message if you want to do work. This sharpener is here. You just this ways. Bas, done. Only this much. 2 or 3 rounds. Not more than this. Okay? You will not make it. Yes, you remember, Vaibhavi. The name of that pet was Buzo. Okay? And Jaggu used to love Buzo a lot. He used to play. Okay, finish now in neck and in hands also. Okay? Yes. Hands. Sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. You will not go for big, big lines. And each line repeat 4 times, and don't put pressure on your colors. This thing you are supposed to keep in mind. You can use that. You can use that. Okay. I will complete this hand. And I will complete this side also. Sleeping lines. So one day what happened? Jaggu's Papa have to go out of the village for purchasing some material. And when Jaggu's Papa went out to purchase some, now see, we will complete legs also with skin color, standing lines. Small standing lines. Come on, do. You will not change direction at all. Okay, this thing you're supposed to keep in mind. You will not change. If you made line in between lip, it is okay. Don't worry. And here also. Yeah, I will continue story. Don't worry. Because today is the day when we will complete this drawing. So I'm supposed to complete my story also. And see this in this beautiful drawing, you can see they all. This is a very dangerous, the baby boy of lion. And this is a wild rabbit. Look at the height, equal to Jaggu. But see, they all are standing like a family photograph. And Buzo is so happy to see that no one is hurting, attacking, and harming anyone. They have become friends. See, Jaggu's one hand is on rabbit. This is wild rabbit. And one is on baby boy of lion. All are standing and enjoying. Okay. So then what happened one day when Jaggu's Papa removed dust? Okay. Legs with skin color. Hands with skin color. Neck with skin color. And face. And see, we started from chin. and without changing direction, we just completed this. Okay. So I will take red for doing colors in Jaggu's t-shirt. All boys, you remember your favorite t-shirt. Close your eyes and remember which is your favorite t-shirt and put that color in your t-shirt. Okay. I will be doing red because boys look very smart in red. And girls, you also remember your favorite t-shirt and you put that. Okay? Yes. Red. Start from here. See, we will start from here. Small sleeping lines. Okay. See, I will keep speaking Hindi also. है ना, बीच बीच में मैं उसी लाइन को हिंदी में भी बोलूंगी क्योंकि हमारी क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, वो उन्हें हिंदी समझ में आती है ना, तो स्टोरी को मैं एक बार इंग्लिश में बोलूंगी, एक बार हिंदी में. The same sentence I will speak in Hindi and English both, so that the students who are comfortable with Hindi can also understand, because this story is having a great message. हाँ, और जिन लोगों को, those who don't know Hindi, for them the same sentence I will repeat in English. Okay? Because I want all of you to listen this lovely story, and you will see that what is the difference between animals and human. तो क्या हुआ कि एक गांव था, उस गांव में एक छोटा लड़का रहता था, ये वाला, और इसका नाम था जग्गू. और जग्गू के घर में उसके पापा थे, उसकी मम्मा थी, और उनका एक प्यारा सा डॉग था जिसका नाम था बूजो. ठीक है? और जग्गू बहुत नॉटी था, बहुत ज्यादा नॉटी था, हर वक्त शैतानी करना उसे बहुत पसंद था. एक दिन जग्गू के पापा को शहर जाना था, उन्हें कुछ जरूरी सामान लाना था. तो देन व्हाट हैपेंड, जग्गू's पापा सेट आउट फॉर सिटी. जग्गू के पापा सिटी के लिए सुबह ही निकल गए. अब जग्गू, बूजो और उसकी माँ अकेले रह गए घर पर. तो जग्गू अपने बूजो के साथ खेल रहा था. खेलते खेलते जग्गू स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग विद बूजो. देन व्हाट हैपेंड, सडनली बूजो स्टार्ट रनिंग and जग्गू स्टार्ट चेजिंग. अचानक से बूजो ने दौड़ना शुरू कर दिया और जग्गू उसके पकड़ने के लिए उसके पीछे पीछे भागने लगा. भागते 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 जग्गू को पता ही नहीं चला और बूजो को भी पता नहीं चला, वो लोग पास के जंगल में आ गए थे. While running and chasing Buzo, unknowingly, Jaggu and Buzo, they both were lost in deep forest. एक घना जंगल जिसमें चारों तरफ पेड़. Say you will not change direction. Sleeping lines, okay? Each line you will be repeating 4 times. Don't forget this, okay? भागते भागते वो लोग जंगल में आ गए. They found themselves in a jungle, and it was a deep forest, deep forest. And Jaggu was fearful. जग्गू को डर लगने लग गया. उसे पापा की बात याद आने लग गई कि जंगल में जंगली जानवर हैं, वो तुम्हें पकड़ लेंगे, वो तुम्हें खा जाएंगे. जग्गू को ये बातें याद आ गई और जग्गू को डर लगने लग गया, है ना. Jaggu was frightened, suddenly remembered his papa's words that animals are very cruel. Okay. So Jaggu was fearful. He frightened. He remembered the words of Papa. Papa told me, you don't go to jungle. Jungle is very fearful. And see, chasing Buzo. Unknowingly, I'm in jungle. Now what will happen to me? All animals will kill me. Buzo, you and me, we both are alone. He started crying. And suddenly, what happened? A rabbit came jumping. And the name of rabbit was? Tell me. You know. What was the name of rabbit? I told you last time. Batao, batao, batao. Pinku. Yes. Yes, the name of rabbit was Pinku. Take pink color and fill in lips. And our rabbit is going to be of Pink color. And Pinku was a wild rabbit, tall in height. And when he saw that a boy, a human, a baby boy is there in jungle, he must be frightened. He must have lost the way. That's why he is crying. But he decided that I will go and ask this boy. He must be hungry. He took some carrots with him, and some very juicy, mouth-watering fruits too. Have you done this much? Show thumbs up. So thumbs up. Are you enjoying the story? If you're finding it boring, I can stop it. Are you finding it boring? Okay. You want to listen? Okay, fine. So first finish this. Shomli, you have done? Shomli Nandi, you were showing thumbs down now. You are doing now? Don't worry, I'm going to finish my story. And it's a very touching story. And some scenes are very sad in this story. Okay? Finish this much. And let's take dark blue color for making shorts. Okay? I will be taking dark blue color. Lips with pink. I took dark blue color and see, from here you will start. Sleeping lines. Come on. And you all remember your favorite shorts? You all remember your favorite shorts and fill the same color. If it is of brown color, you will fill brown. Okay? Yes. Sleeping lines. You will not change the direction. Okay? Then what happened? Rabbit came and said, "Oh, what's your name?" Jaggu was surprised. "Pare, you know my language?" And Pinku said, "Yeah, I know. The languages of human. Why are you crying, my dear friend?" "Oh, I know. You must be thinking that the animals of jungle are very cruel and they kill human. Isn't it?" Jaggu said, "Yes. How you know this?" "This is very true. My papa told me never go to jungle. Jungle is very dangerous and the animals of jungle are very cruel. They kill. They are very cruel animals." Pinku start laughing. You are very right. Humans think like this only. But they don't know that humans are more dangerous and cruel to us than we are. Jaggu say, "Really?" "Yeah. Humans are killing us unnecessarily." Yeah. It doesn't mean you should go to jungle. This story is about that we should be compassionate about the life around us. Okay? This drawing is not about you will go to jungle. Okay, do blue color. Blue color. Finish this, boy. Show me how many of you have done. Show the work. All of you? Yes. Very good. We will be taking black and brown. Take two colors. Black and brown. Okay. And Jaggu said, "I'm hungry also. Since morning, I have not eaten anything." Then Rabbit, he gave some very wonderful fruits and carrot and said, "Jaggu, take brown color and go for standing line from here." Standing line? Yes, from here. And he said, "Ki Jaggu, you must be hungry. I was knowing this. That's why I got some wonderful carrots and juicy fruits for you. You eat them." Jaggu ate them, even Buzo. And finally, Pinku said, "Now you come with me. I will introduce to you all the animals." When they were going, they found a son of lion. Okay, son of lion. He was a cub, but slightly elder. Okay. His name was, tell me, do you remember the name? We kept his name also. Muzaffar. Yes. Mufasa. Okay. Yes. Mufasa. Okay. Mufasa. Brown. Do brown. Keep doing work also. Okay. You're not supposed to be lost in story. Story and coloring, both same time. Good. Good. Very good. Fill brown. And now take your black color. And same ways you will move black over brown. Move your black over brown. So what will happen? Your brown and black will mix. And Mufasa said, oh, what's your name, dear friend? Jaggu said, Jaggu, and he's my pet, Buzo. And we lost way. Today I was chasing this naughty Buzo and I'm in jungle. And I was feeling very much frightened. I thought you all will kill me. Then Mufasa said, we kill only when we find ourselves in danger. Otherwise, we never attack human beings. Okay, Jaggu replied. Brown. Well, do brown. After that, black. Come on. Done? Phil, do it nicely. All of you do. I want to make shoes also black. Okay? Shoes. Start from sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Each line you will be repeating 4 times. Small strokes, one direction, and you will not put pressure. Okay? No pressure on your color. Make sure. Black shoes. Mufasa said, we are friends. And you don't worry, Jaggu. Whatever you need, you tell us. Whenever you are hungry, we will arrange some juicy fruits for you. Okay? But you don't feel frightened. We all are friends because we make the world. Okay? Jaggu said, yeah, this is very true. We make the world. Now what happened in village? What happened? Jaggu's mom was very much frightened. She was searching Jaggu throughout the village. Have you seen my Jaggu? Have you seen my Jaggu? I'm not finding my Jaggu since morning. Have you seen? Have you seen? Some boys replied, yes. Today morning I was watching, he was chasing Buzo and went on that path. Which path? That path which will lead to jungle. Mama was very much frightened. Now what will happen to my Jaggu? Oh my God, what will happen? Now my son is in forest and so many jungly animals are there. This is black, beta. Black in shoes. Huh? You can make green shoes also. You remember your favorite shoes and fill the same color. Now, take pink color. We are going to do colors in Pinku. Now you got now why the name is Pinku? Because his color is pink. Okay. First, I want to see how the coloring is done. Show your work. Yes, show your work. Ears also. Fill colors in ears also. Okay? Yeah. You know why I'm telling you this story? The motto behind telling you this story is this, that be compassionate and loving towards animals. We and nature, we all should be in rhythm. बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Very nice work. Amazing. Very good. Now take pink color. Pink. Okay. And now I will be doing only outlines. I will not fill colors. Outlines only. Okay. This is Pinku Rabbit. They all started playing. They plucked few more juicy fruits from jungle. And they were running in soft green grass. All other animals also, birds, fishes, they just went to river. And they were looking at fishes. Fishes were so happy to meet Jaggu and Buzo. The whole day they spent like this. And there, what happened in village? Mama was searching Jaggu badly. She was very much worried about, my dear son has lost his way. Now he's in jungle. What will happen? Jungly animals, wild animals will kill my Jaggu. She was crying like anything. Save my Jaggu. Please save my Jaggu. In evening time, then what happened? Father returned back from city. And when Mama informed that Jaggu is lost in jungle, while chasing Buzo, he reached to jungle. Since morning, he has not returned back. Papa was very much worried. And he decided to take few hunters, those who hunt animals. He collected a team of hunters of village. He called them up. Give outlines like this. See, I'm giving outlines. Same in face also, all around. And he said, you collect all the things, big net, your guns, arrow and bow, whatever you have to hunt and kill animals. You collect all those things because tomorrow we will go and catch them. Okay? And second day, early morning, Jaggu's papa and all other villagers with so many dangerous things. Yeah. I will go little slow. Slowly and slowly, you will be giving outlines. Go slow. Okay? Small lines. कोई बात नहीं, Shreyam. If you colored inside, then also it's okay. And see this inside circle I will be doing completely pink. Okay? Slowly, you will be completing ears. Outlines in ears. हाँ, ठीक है, तो मैं इस स्टोरी को जहां तक मैंने सुना है उसको एक बार हिंदी में भी बता देती हूँ. ठीक है? फिर जग्गू जब अपना रास्ता भूल गया, जग्गू और बुजो जब अपना रास्ता भूल गए और वो लोग जंगल में पहुंच गए, तो जंगल के सारे एनिमल्स ने, रैबिट ने, मुफैजा ने, सब ने जग्गू को वेलकम किया, उनका ख्याल रखा. जग्गू को कैरेट्स यानी कि गाजर और मीठे मीठे फ्रूट्स ला कर दिए और जग्गू से कहा, तुम बिल्कुल भी मत डरो, हम तुम्हारे फ्रेंड हैं, क्योंकि हम सब मिलके ही संसार बनाते हैं. We make the world. और अगर हम साथ में एक दूसरे के साथ एक दूसरे के दोस्त बनकर रहे हैं तो दुनिया कितनी प्यारी हो जाएगी. कोई को किसी से खतरा नहीं होगा, हम सब एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर रह पाएंगे. जग्गू ने कहा, कितनी सच बात है. यस, संसार इट मीन्स वर्ल्ड. ओके, देन Jaggu decided he will be always compassionate with animals. But there, father was worried. वहां पे पापा जब लौट के आए, तो पापा को जग्गू की मम्मा ने बताया, fill this face and this snout black. And now The body will very, very light pink. Very light pink color, very light. It should look like fur. Itna light, very light. Sleeping lines, start from here. Sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. ठीक है, तो जब जग्गू की मम्मा ने पापा को बताया कि जग्गू आज जंगल में खो गया है, तो जग्गू के पापा ने विलेज के सारे लोगों से कहा कि आप लोगों के पास जितनी भी बंदूकें हैं, जितने भी नेट हैं, जाल हैं, आप सब ले लो. सी फ्रॉम योर टॉप, स्लीपिंग लाइंस, लाइट लाइट कलर्स, वेरी लाइट. ठीक है. और दूसरे दिन सुबह सारे विलेजर्स अपने साथ बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े जाल लेकर, बड़ी बड़ी बंदूकें लेकर जंगल के लिए निकल पड़े. ठीक है. द सेकेंड डे मॉर्निंग all villagers, they set out to jungle with very, very dangerous things like big net to capture animals, big guns to hunt them, arrows, and these kind of things to kill animals. They just set out in search of Jaggu. And when they were inside, Papa started shouting, Jaggu! Jaggu, 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 when suddenly listened to Papa's voice, he replied, Papa, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Suddenly when Papa listened to Jaggu's voice, they start rushing to that direction. जब पापा ने जंगल में जाके चिल्लाना शुरू किया, Jaggu, तुम कहाँ हो? Fill light color in pink, and this will remain white. Make rabbit this way. Outline dark pink, okay, and light pink color inside. ठीक है. जब पापा ने जग्गू को आवाज लगाई, जग्गू जग्गू जग्गू, जग्गू ने पापा की आवाज सुनी. उसने कहा, पापा मैं यहाँ हूँ. जग्गू की आवाज सुन के पापा और सारे विलेजर्स उसी तरफ दौड़ने लगे. और जब वहां दौड़ने लगे तो वहां जग्गू के साथ रैबिट था, पिंकू था, मुफैजा था, है ना. दौड़ के जग्गू और बूजू तो पापा के पास आ गए, लेकिन पापा ने और विलेजर्स ने इनोसेंट पिंकू को और मुफैजा को जाल में पकड़ लिया. ओके. व्हेन पापा वाज कॉलिंग आउट जग्गू जग्गू and Buzo, they ran to Papa. But villagers and Papa, they throw their net over this Mufasa and Pinku, and they were caught. And the net was so strong, they were trying to get rid of, but they were not able to. And they were about to kill them with big arrows. Yes, it is a very sad scene. Okay? And उन्होंने animals को पकड़ लिया. और पकड़ के उन्होंने बड़े बड़े जालों में उनको पकड़ लिया. Finish this. Rabbit, dark outlines, light color inside, and this will be white. Okay, now let's complete Mufasa. For this hair, I will be using first yellow ochre or golden color. Any one color you can do. Okay, and what we will be doing? Here, start from your sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Okay? So when Jaggu's Papa was calling out, you will keep doing this way. You will not change direction, okay? When Jaggu's Papa was calling out Jaggu's name, Jaggu replied, Papa, I'm here. They went to that direction and they throw their big strong net over animals because Jaggu was with Pinku and Mufasa. Jaggu rushed to Papa, Jaggu and Buzo, but they were there only and they were caught. They kept shouting, please leave us, but villagers were ready to kill. They were ready with their guns. And little Jaggu was shouting, don't kill them, please don't kill them. All villagers were saying, today it will be a party. We will celebrate, we will cook flesh of these animals this Pinku and Mufasa, and we will enjoy. And this fur, we will remove the skin and we will make our lovely coats. We will remove skin of Mufasa and make our lovely coats. This way they were talking at the capture and they were about to kill. Jaggu started shouting, please, don't kill them. They are my friends, don't kill them. Please, don't kill them, don't kill them. He was shouting like anything, but villagers were not ready to listen. Villagers were not ready to listen. They thought, they were determined that they will kill those innocent animals. And both Mufasa and Pinku, they were struggling. They were shouting, they were screaming. They wanted to come out of the net, but not able to because a big crowd was gathering around. Then they both realized that today is our last day and they were having tears in their eyes. And Jaggu realized this is very true. We human are more cruel than animals. See these animals, they're helping me out and taking care of mine. Yes, yellow ochre here. And yellow ochre in body also. Fill yellow ochre in body also. Okay. Jaggu was continuously shouting, Papa, please, they are my friends. We all are a family. Don't kill them. They were taking my care since yesterday. They did not trouble me. Because of them only I'm alive today. But no one was ready to listen. They all were planning that the skin of Mufasa we are going to use for making lovely coat for winters, and flesh we will cook, and it will be a party, it will be a treat for today. And this pink fur, okay. And Jaggu realized that we human are so cruel to animals. We should not kill them. He decided that he will do something and will not let any of his friend, jackets. He decided that he will save animals. He will save Mufasa and Rabbit, no matter what. What he did? He just started shouting, stop, stop, stop. He just snatched gun from his uncle and just shoot it and fire in air. And when Jaggu did this, they all started looking at Jaggu. Jaggu shouted at them and said, listen to me first. You all want to kill them? They're so cute. They will not harm you. They will not kill you. Why are you killing them unnecessarily? Since yesterday, they're taking good care of mine. See, I have juicy fruits in my hands. They took good care of mine. The name of this dear friend is Mufasa. This is Pinku. They're not troubling me. They don't kill us, beta. They never trouble and kill us. You know this? Animals, when they feel that they are insecure, then only they kill you. Otherwise, they never could because they themselves are frightened of human beings. Okay? Yes. And because of this only government has made many big jungles where hunting is prohibited. If you hunt there, if you kill any animal, government punish them just to save them. Okay? Then all listened to Jaggu and said, is this very true, Jaggu? Jaggu said, yes, they are my friends. Remove your net immediately. All immediately removed the net from them. They were free. Then Jaggu and Buzo hugged Pinku. Then he hugged Mufasa and said, and just wipe out the tears because they both were crying. Wipe out the tears And Jaggu said, Mufeza, Pinku, and all other animals, all animals or monkeys were there on trees and looking at all this incident. Standing lines, go for standing lines. Take yellow color. I want to show golden hair. Do yellow in hair. Standing line, okay? Sleeping line here. And Jaggu said, okay, from today we animals and all the villagers, we are friends. You promise me, Papa, otherwise I will not come with you to home. You promise me, from today no one from village will kill animals. Because we are a family. We make the world. So promise me, you will never kill them, you will never hurt them. All villagers promise and hug Pinku and Mufasa. Others and other animals also came there. Zebra and elephants, monkeys. Villagers hugged them also. And they all became good friends. And this ways, because of Jaggu, they all were united. In that village, no one hunt. And giraffe also. Yes, all the animals. Yellow, fill yellow in here. And yeah, these ears are left. You're supposed to do this yellow occurrence outside ears, outside. Okay. So this ways, because of Jaggu's efforts, that village become a united village. In which, yes, wolves also. So this is the story. And from that day onwards, they always used to say, we make the world. Yeah, it's a real story. Nice, na? How was the story? Show your 2 thumbs up. Show your thumbs up if you like the story. Yes. Okay. Now I will take brown and fill on yellow. Take brown. Brown and do on yellow. Okay. This ways. Sanitizer लायो. चलो भाई के लिए. Move your black or brown over. Okay. Brown over yellow. So you will get golden hair. Come on, do. And this was the story. How was the story? Tell me. It was a good story, na? Yes. And do you know why I told you the story? Because you are future of India. You are future of world. So you all promise that you will never hurt and harm any animal. Okay? Whether it is cow, whether it is buffalo, whether it's puppy, cat, dog, birds, never hurt and harm them. Think always, keep this thing always in your mind, that we make the world. Okay? Do brown color on yellow, so you will get golden hair. Okay, come on. We'll have to be little quick. So this was all about today's story. And the story of dear Jaggu. Cute boy. And government and many social workers, they are working hard for protecting animals. Government has decided, kept many villages where hunting and poaching is prohibited. No one can enter and hunt any animal, just to protect them. Yellow occur in tail and brown in and buzo. Buzo, let's do gray color. Let's do gray color in buzo. You can make your buzo with any other color also. Standing line. Go for standing line. Go for standing line and fill gray color. If you want to do any other color, you can do. Okay? Yes. Fill any other color if you want. I'm doing gray color. This is not silver gray, this is normal gray. Okay, standing line. And I will complete in standing line only the legs, backside legs. Okay, standing line only. Come on, do it. Here also in mouth, the buzo. And Jaggu has put red band. Ear also with same color. Okay. And I will be showing red band in Jaggu's neck. Sorry, Buzo's neck. Red. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Orange and yellow. Yeah, you can fill any other color also. Okay. And this top circle will be black. Take yellow and orange color. Yes, yellow and orange. Watercolors. Watercolors भी रखे हैं. Orange in sun. Start from top. Sleeping line. Top, sleeping line. Normally when students are doing colors in circle, what they do? Yes, yes. They start from center. And then kept moving in different directions. But no, we should not do this. We are supposed to move our color in one direction. Always start from the top. Okay. And with yellow, draw one circle outside. Directly with yellow. And from the top, this outside circle, yellow. And we will leave clouds white. We are not going to do any color in white clouds. Okay, we want to show white clouds. Green, brown. चाहिए है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay. Pink. All of you see pink you will be doing here. Pink. And my mother tongue is Hindi. And the sleeping lines. Okay, this here in this triangle black. Okay, this triangle of, you are not doing. Shreni, show your work. Shreni Patel, show your work. Okay, okay, you have done. Fine. Now you take light green color. All of you take light green color. And this middle part, see the space now? Very light. Sleeping lines, you will not change direction. Sleeping lines. Where can you did it? sleeping lines. Okay, here also you will not move. Yeah, I will just see work of everyone. Lakshita, I'm coming to you also, beta. Okay, let's complete because time is running fast and it's a detailed work. So let us complete. See here, sleeping line. Okay, till here. This middle gap, all the gap between animals and all, sleeping lines. Small sleeping. You will not move your color in standing position. Now see here, very little space. I will go for small sleeping lines. Come on, do green. Yes. And you must be ready with your colors. Green. Okay. Small sleeping lines. This complete upper portion, we will be doing green. We want to show green jungle. Take sky blue color. Take sky blue and start from sleeping line. Start from here. All these small gaps. Sleeping lines. You will not change direction. You will fill it with sleeping lines. Sleeping lines. See now, it between of 2 ears. Here also sleeping lines. And you will be moving your color very light. Move your color very light. Shabash. This way. And you're going to do very light skin color, sky blue color. Okay? When you fill in between of 2 ears, near hands, you will not change the direction. Sleeping, it means sleeping. Okay? Yeah, small strokes. Clouds, you will leave white. No color in clouds. Okay? And what we learned today with this drawing, when you will grow, and some of you can become forest officers and whatever, you are supposed to keep in mind nature. We, animals, birds, we all are kids of nature, Mother Nature. So we are supposed to take care of them. They're supposed to be harmonious and be friendly with them. Okay? So from today onwards, be kind. See here, very little space, but I will not go for standing line. Small sleeping lines. Okay. Now take colors. Take colors now. Take a plate, water container, and we will have to be little quick. I will be taking blue color. Okay. And then I will be taking green color. And I will be taking brown. Blue, green, and brown. 3 colors we need. Green and brown. करनी तो नहीं ना लाइव तो नहीं करनी. Yes, come on. Blue, green, and now what we will be doing, take cotton and first dip it in water, squeeze extra and keep little more water because we are going to do water. Okay, so little more water. Take blue color and start doing here in the fishes. the part where fishes are. Okay? And see, in my cotton, there is lots of water and very little color I have taken. If you want to do this ways, you can do this ways also. Okay, you can do this ways also. Lots of water and very limited blue color. Okay, very limited color. Just move big. Yes. Now, using the same cotton, or I can change the cotton also. I will take little more cotton. I'll take green, squeeze, and I will take green. Again, little green. And I will start moving here. Straight line. Straight line. Okay, carefully. Slowly and carefully. This ways. See, this green with cotton. Okay, we will be making flowers with earbud. You will not throw this cotton. In the same cotton, you will take green and you will be making trees. More green is there. Take all green. Eh? Tapping. Okay, tapping. Very carefully, okay? No need to hurry. With tapping, I will make trees. Here also, I can change color. And if you don't want, you can go for same color. Both the trees. If you want to change color, you can change color also, okay? Suppose you want to make one tree dark, one tree light, you can do that ways also. Now see this tree, I want to make little dark. I have taken more color and that tree, I took more water and less color. So one tree is of dark green color and one is of light green color. Okay, come on, do. And if you have many green, like olive green and different kind of greens, you can change. Like for bushes, now see this is sap green. All of you see? For bushes, I'm going to change the color. I will be using sap green color for this. Okay, sap green. I just dip my cotton in water and see bushes, all the bushes. Carefully, I will be doing this. Okay, here buzo is there. I'm supposed to do it carefully. And here also, bushes. I just changed my color. I took sap green. Okay, see you got lovely texture when you use cotton. Then take your earbud. Then take your earbud. Take brown color, dip it in water. Take brown color. Okay, I have taken brown color in my earbud. And I will be doing my trunk of trees. If you want to make bushes also with earbud, If you want to make bushes also with earbud, you can make bushes also with earbud. Okay? And see, watercolors make our work so quick. And we find a very good texture in our work. Okay? Trunk of tree. Time है 2 मिनट का. Okay? And I'm going to make my fishes, yellow and orange. Okay, you can fill any color afterwards. But first, take your earbud and make lovely flowers. Let's make lovely flowers. I made orange fishes. And yellow fish. Okay. Look at this beautiful yellow. I will be taking yellow. And with earbud, let's make flower. Come on. Beautiful flowers. Do we have white, Aishi? Circle. Okay. Yes. I am going to make three. Make 3 dots. 3 dots flowers. I will make beautiful flowers around. And you can make even yellow color now. You can do in fish also. If you want to do watercolors in fish, yellow. And take red also. Give red also. I made these 2 fishes yellow. I'm going to do white. Few flowers I'm going to make with white. I've taken white. Yes, make so many flowers. Okay. Okay. I want to make few red. Here, red I have taken, I will make 1 fish with red color. The same earbud, you can color also the fish also. Okay. I want to show so many flowers here. And last but not the least, I will be taking green color. In my earbud. Green and make leaves. Okay. We'll be making leaves. V. Write V with earbud. You can do it with color also. Okay? V, then 1. All beautiful flowers. And this is all about today's work. Show me your work. Show me the work. I just want to have a look. Yes. Just show the work and then continue. Wow, good. Excellent. Lovely. Very beautiful. Continue, continue. You all have done great work. Great. Okay. And you all know where and which color? Keep showing. Mannat, I've seen yours also. Lovely work. And with this, I will take your leave. Bye, students. May God bless you. Bye.